Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So here we are going to start our today's new chapter of computer subject, which is pictures in Microsoft Word 2010. And here is a part 1 of this chapter. So from today there is a practical topics starting that how we can use Microsoft Word, which features are available in Microsoft Word, that all things we will learn in this chapter. So in today's session we are going to learn about how we can copy formatting to another selection. Means that in one sentence you change your font style, font size, font color, and the same font style, font size, font color you want for another one. That time you have to copy that formatting. So which option is used for copy that format option? That one we will learn. And then afterward we will learn that how we can apply subscript and superscript effect in a Microsoft Word document. So first of all, before starting this explanation, I want to tell you something about Microsoft Word. That what is a Microsoft Word? So Microsoft Word is a word processor that helps you to create documents with a professional outlook. It not only provides the facility to type and modify the text, but it is offer features to enhance the overall appearance of the text. You can find and replace the text, set the page appearance as per your need, and can also preview a document before printing it. This all things is available in a Microsoft Word. So let's start. In the beginning, I will show you that how you can open Microsoft Word, okay, in your laptop, in your computer. Okay, if you have a mobile phone and or a tablet, then you have to use Microsoft Word from your applications which you download from Play Store. Okay everyone, so in laptop and your desktop computer it is already installed. Clear everyone? So let's start that how we can open it. Okay, so everyone concentrate on my pointer. So I am magnify this screen, then I will show you how you can open it. Clear? And how you will get your Microsoft Word document. So click on start button, and then afterward find out Microsoft Word document. If it is not visible and you are failed to search it, no need to worry. Just type here Microsoft Word or just type Word. Okay, whenever you just type Word, which is whatever the software is, whatever the version of Word is available, that one will be visible to you on your start menu list. Clear everyone? Again I am showing you. Click on start button and search Microsoft Word here. Okay, if you will not get it, just type there Word. Okay, so whenever you type Word on the start menu list, on the top of the side, whatever the match of Word you will find, you will get it here. This way, this way you can open it. Or second way, how you can open second way? That if you can pin your favorite program on a taskbar. Okay, so here is already Microsoft Word on a taskbar. So just one click and you will open Microsoft Word. Clear everyone? So let's start how we can use this one. This is a Microsoft Word screen window. Clear? And what is there on a Microsoft Word screen? So first of all, on the top side you will get title bar, and on a title bar right hand side you will get close button, restore down button, and minimize button. Means if you want to close Microsoft Word, then click here. Restore down means you want to make it small screen, then click on this button, and you want to minimize it, then click on this button. Downside, file, home, insert, design, this all are called tabs. Okay, this all provide you different options for regarding your Microsoft Word document. You can use this all tabs and make your document very beautiful. Clear everyone? So suppose that I am changing the font style, font size and font color from here. Look at this box, you can see rectangle box here. Okay, so this box is for changing your font style, your font size and font color. Okay, so let's click on drop down arrow and choose any beautiful handwriting. By clicking drop down arrow also you can choose anyone. Okay, so suppose that I am going to take this type of font style, font size like 22, 26 or anything as per your choice, as per your content also, and the color. Suppose I am going to take this brown color. Okay, now suppose we are typing here a school name. Here Matliwala space public space school. Okay, I hope so that you all know how to type in your Microsoft Word using keyboard. Okay, so today I am not explaining this all point but just directly typing here. Clear everyone? I hope you have a practice of typing in a Microsoft Word or in computer system. Okay, now I am changing different style. I don't want this style but it is not changed. So what I will do? Suppose that I want this type of font style in my screen. So what we will do? Okay, and font size bigger than this one and font color also. So at that time format painter option is used. Why format painter option is used? You can see downside the description that like the look of particular selection, you can apply that look to another content in the document also. Okay, so format painter option is used for copy the formatting selection. Okay, whatever you are going to select that will change as per your selection. Suppose that I am selecting it. Selecting means what? With one hand you means left key you have to press, hold it down and just move on the right hand side. Whenever you go on the right hand side and just click down, it will change. Control Z because it's changed different one. Okay, so now different font style. Suppose this one Algerian. Okay, now take a format painter, select it from here and go right. Okay, clear everyone? So this way you can change the selection, copy selection option. Okay, now choose it and select. Look at this. At single click you change your font style, font size and font color. Clear everyone? So again I am showing you how we can do it. Clear? So now click drop down arrow. Suppose you want cursive handwritings this way. One is here like this. Okay, so choose it. Font size suppose 36. Then font color suppose brown or a red. Okay, and choose the format painter option from home tab and start selecting. Left click, hold it down and move on the right hand side and just release your mouse button. Whenever you release your mouse button, it will change as per your changing here. Okay, so this is the use of format painter option. Clear everyone? Now next topic, we are moving on a next topic, that's subscript and superscript. What is a subscript and superscript? So first option I want to say that subscript. Subscript means what? You want one text which is lower than the particular text line. Okay, suppose I want H2O. I want this to little bit lower than the this particular text. At that time just select it and go on a home tab. There is a X2 is written, you can see. So click on it. Whenever you click on it, 2 goes downside. So what is the meaning of subscript option? Subscript means to apply special effect on the selected text which is goes little bit downside than the rest of the text. It is called subscript. Clear everyone? So subscript is this one. How we can do it? Select it and click on whatever you want to take it down. Click, select it and click on H2 option. It will goes down. Now you want the text higher than the particular regular text line. Okay, suppose foot. I want to type foot or a fifth, where th will go on a higher level. So what we will do to make this type of text? Select the both letter and beside the x2, x square 2 is upper side. Okay, so click on it. Whenever you click on it, th will go on a higher place. So this one is called subscript, which is lower than the particular text, and this one will call superscript, which is higher than the particular text. Clear everyone? So superscript option place the selected text slightly above the baseline, okay, and makes it appear on a higher level. But what is the meaning of subscript? Subscript option place the selected text slightly below the baseline. Below the baseline means regular जो whatever the line is there, मतलब जो regular line होती है उससे थोड़ा सा नीचे लेगा, उसको बोलते हैं सबस्क्रिप्ट. और जो बेस लाइन है उससे थोड़ा हायर लेवल पे लेगा, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? सुपरस्क्रिप्ट. तो विच ऑप्शन इज यूज फॉर सुपर सबस्क्रिप्ट? एक्स लोअर साइड 2, इट इज सबस्क्रिप्ट. एंड फॉर एक्स हायर लेवल विच ऑप्शन वी विल यूज? एक्स स्क्वायर. ओके, सो जिसको भी हमें ऊपर लेना है या डाउन साइड लेना है उसको हमें पहले सिलेक्ट करना है एंड देन आफ्टरवर्ड चूज दिस ऑप्शन. जैसे कि यहाँ पे th को ऊपर लेना है, सो चूज दिस, सिलेक्ट इट एंड चूज दिस ऑप्शन. सो आज के 2 ऑप्शंस कौन सा था? फर्स्ट इज फॉर्मेट पेंटर. किस लिए यूज होता है फॉर्मेट पेंटर? फॉर चेंजिंग द टेक्स्ट, दिस टाइप ऑफ टेक्स्ट स्टाइल, फॉन्ट साइज, फॉन्ट कलर, एवरीथिंग. ओके, सो सपोज मुझे ये करना है फॉन्ट स्टाइल, फॉन्ट साइज इतना होना चाहिए एंड फॉन्ट कलर ये वाला. ओके, ये चूज कर लेने के बाद देन गो टू फॉर्मेट पेंटर. अब लेफ्ट साइड पे आ जाओ, लेफ्ट बटन क्लिक, होल्ड इट डाउन एंड जस्ट मूव ऑन अ राइट साइड एंड जस्ट रिलीज माउस बटन. जो भी आपने चेंजेस किया होगा वो आ जाएगा. ठीक है, अब नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन आता है सबस्क्रिप्ट. मुझे लिखना है H2O, लेकिन O कहाँ जाना चाहिए? सॉरी 2 कहाँ जाना चाहिए? बेस लाइन से नीचे. तो पहले 2 को ऐसे सिलेक्ट कर लो, फिर यहाँ पे X2 दिख रहा है, क्लिक करो. ओके, सो 2 कहाँ चला जाएगा? थोड़ा बेस लाइन से नीचे. अब मुझे करना है 15th. TH मुझे ऊपर चाहिए, बेस लाइन से ऊपर, सो सिलेक्ट करो एंड X2 के बाजू में है सुपरस्क्रिप्ट, उस पर क्लिक करो. तो TH कहाँ चला जाएगा? हायर पे. सो इसको क्या बोलेंगे? सबस्क्रिप्ट इफेक्ट, और इसको क्या बोलेंगे? सुपरस्क्रिप्ट इफेक्ट. क्लियर एवरीवन? सो टुडेज टॉपिक्स वर format painter and subscript and superscript. I hope so that you all get this option and do it well with yourself in Microsoft Word. आप ये सभी चीज़ें आप अपने फ़ोन में, लैपटॉप में, टैबलेट में और डेस्कटॉप पीसी पे भी देख सकते हो. क्लियर एवरीवन? सो आज का आपका प्रैक्टिकल होमवर्क है कि आपको ये फॉर्मेट पेंटर का ऑप्शन और सबस्क्रिप्ट एंड सुपरस्क्रिप्ट ऑप्शन यूज़ करना है. क्लियर एवरीवन? सो आपको भी आए कि हाउ यू कैन यूज़ इट इन योर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट. क्लियर? आई विल आस्क यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो दैट यू विल डू दिस प्रैक्टिकल बाय योरसेल्फ और नॉट. एंड अगर इसके बाद भी अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आता है, सो यू कैन आस्क मी इन कमेंट सेक्शन. आई विल सॉल्व योर डाउट, और जो भी प्रॉब्लम होगी मैं आपका सॉर्ट आउट करूँ. क्लियर एवरीवन? सो टिल देन बी हैप्पी, स्टे हेल्दी. बाय एवरीवन.